Oh, is it live or? Is it live? Oh, Jesus Christ. Is it live? Okay. Yeah, I'm telling you, almost below these accounts. I clicked here going long, but the order didn't go out. I clicked again because I thought, okay, maybe I missed the button. Then I had to reload. Out of a sudden, I'm in 4 contracts. 4 contracts. And here I was like down, I don't know, like 1500. Like, what the fuck? I was in the trade, nothing placed, no stop loss, no target, nothing. Well, if we get these two payout, we're not gonna be able to request. I'm gonna get denied because of the 30% rule now. Because of the shitty Wi-Fi. Oh my god. Yeah, I almost blew them. I couldn't even do anything. I clicked, I didn't see anything. There was nothing on the chart, nothing. Then I had to reconnect. Out of sudden, I'm in 4 contracts. Oh, okay, perfect. And then it also copy traded 2 accounts. Yeah, I got super lucky. I don't know what's going on with my Wi-Fi. I don't know why it acted up. Total mess. Total mess. Yeah, this really, I don't know. Gotta refocus now. I mean, Jesus Christ. Damn, dude, this really fucked me up. Never had this before. And now the stream works perfectly fine. I don't even know. Look, look, look. I'm gonna. I don't know, I got 2 accounts blown with itself. Oh no, you don't need to put your stop loss at 20 points. Your stop loss is not 20 points. Just keep your stop loss out of the way so it doesn't hit the stop loss, you know? Look, I'm gonna show you. I mean, you couldn't see it on the chart here, but you can see how much I was down because of this internet. Like, Jesus Christ. Hey, Titan boy, how are you? Yeah, Juno, you can do it with 7 contracts. It's more difficult. If you do it on Apex, it's easier because you have 10 contracts. But yeah, your target should be, what is it, like, I said it in the video. I think your target should be 20 something points. But your stop loss has to be away, you know, like don't let it hit your stop. Of course, now it goes. Yeah, sorry guys. I mean, this was just horrible. Let me show you. Oh yeah. Here you go. Wait, look. Wait. I mean, can you see it? All right. Yeah, it's the recording. I mean, you can just see how much I was down. So I clicked twice because it didn't react. Nothing was working. Now I reconnected. And now I'm down like 700. And it goes even lower. I was down like 1500, I think, at one point. Like, this is just so messed up. Look, down 800, $1,000 down. Like, and then luckily we spiked higher again, so I just exited the trade. But yeah, this is just completely messed up now. So even if we get these to a payout, we're gonna get denied now. So gotta trade 8 more days after this. Jesus Christ. Man, I knew it one day. This Wi-Fi is so bad. I can't even believe it. The internet is so bad. I mean, geez, we're in 2025 and it just fucks it up. I knew one day it's just gonna mess up my trading. Of course, right on the open, it's doing this funky shit. Jesus Christ. Well, at least we made some money on these. Nothing really that we can count on, but Jesus Christ. This really annoys me. We pay like 3,500 per month for this Airbnb. 3,500, and we don't even have good Wi-Fi. Like, what the hell, man? How can it just cut out all the time? Of course, now it just goes higher. Alright, guys, are we still live? The stream dropped again. What's going on? Man, this really annoyed me. No, we should be live, right? Yeah. Straight the others, yeah. Well, there goes my opening setup, my open setup. Well, I mean, I took this on the ES. Let me show you. I mean, of course, it would have worked out perfectly. What is this? Like an 8-point target. 8-point. I mean, stop here and then 1-to-1, 8 points. Yeah, of course, would have worked out perfectly. $800. Well, there goes our $800. Perfect trade. Doesn't even do any pullbacks. Try to check your head. It's not that easy now because this pisses me off. Of course, it disconnects me and then I get my perfect trade, like, or even 9 points. Even 9 points. I had to take it off at 750 anyways here because of the consistency. So, but look at this, how clean it is. Of course, every time this stupid shit happens. All right, but yeah, I also took a trade on my Bullnox account, but I was just too stressed to record that. Let me show you guys real quick how much we're up. Hope it even exited the trade and all of that. Jesus Christ, man, this just ruins my day. There goes my setup. Yeah, okay. Took one trade here on the Bullnox account as well. Hope you can see that. So here we're up 250. At least that worked. I mean, it's day one. Man, this could have been such a nice day. All right, then let's try to refocus. I mean, I'm gonna take the 15-minute opening range break. Yeah, sorry for being negative or anything, but this is just, I mean, this just fucks up the whole week. All right, we have 3 minutes to go for the opening here to play out. This makes me so mad. Can you check this card? Yeah, of course. I don't see it. Where did you post it? Or did you send me a message? I don't see it, Juna. Yeah, I can see your message. Let me know where you sent the message so I can have a look. Your internet is slow? Oh, okay, yeah, welcome in the team, buddy. Welcome in the team. But I don't think your message went out, to be honest. I can't see it. Alright, I mean, we're just shooting up. Just going higher and higher here. So we're gonna try to at least have a clean trade here on the 15-minute break. If we even get it set up. Just no pullbacks before, and it's gonna make it more difficult. But yeah, I mean, at least I didn't blow the accounts. This is important, but I mean, this was really close to blowing them. Super annoying. Super annoying. And now it just works out perfectly fine. But of course, right on the open. Check mail. Oh, you sent it on my email? Yeah, it's easier on the Discord when you send Discord. Wait, let me check. Yeah, but you went short and long at the same time, or? Did you add it at the same entry? Like at the same price? Yeah, it might have been the drawdown. Might have been the drawdown. That's why I say you need this little tiny bit of luck. That's why I told you, don't try to do it. Try to pass them. I mean, you have 30 days. Like most of the times it works out, but it could also happen that you just blow the accounts. Because remember, your drawdown is 2,500, but the target is 3,000. So there's like a $500 buffer in between there. So if you get unlucky, you get hit with the trailing drawdown on both accounts, and it doesn't hit your TP. That's why I say on Apex it's easier because you need less points because you can use 10 contracts. But yeah, just try to pass your evals the normal way. Don't try to copy what I did there. Or if you do it, you have to look for so you have to look for levels where you could see like a good reaction, like a clean move. Or I mean, you could also try it on the open, maybe. I don't know. It could also work pretty decently. That's why I made 500 in each more than like that. What do you mean exactly? All right, I might take this if we have a good close. Okay. Let's see if this works at least. Oh, you know what, guys? Guys, I don't feel it. I'm just gonna take it off here. I mean, this is just it's fucked up my whole day. I'm not in a mental state to trade right now. I mean, this just fucked me up completely. I'm not kidding. I don't want to be negative and destroy your vibe today, but I am not feeling it. I don't even think I should trade. I've started and You sure you had full drawdown on both accounts? Because this is then it's not. No, then it can't be possible if it's like a 1-to-1. Did you record it, or did you have like a screenshot or something that I can have a look at? Man, guys, this could have been such a nice day. This is just super, super annoying. Sorry, guys, for being so negative today, but yeah. Yeah, I think, you know what, we're just gonna watch the market. I mean, we're green, but of course, this would have worked out as well perfectly. You broke your headphones? No, don't break your headphones for like a $16 account. No. Can't break your headphones for. I know, you gotta have emotional control there, buddy. You can't break your headphones. But do you have a screenshot, like exact entries and targets set? I don't think it's possible. If you have full drawdown and on both accounts you need 2,300, if you have 1-to-1 the same entry price, one goes long, one goes short, there's no way you can blow the accounts then. You know, even the target is even lower than your drawdown that you have. I really want to see how you place the trades. There was a spike. Okay, what time was it? Tell me the exact time. I'm gonna have a look. And you did it on NQ, right? Not on MNQ. I did NQ. Okay, just tell me exactly where did you do it. Like, tell me the. Are you sending screenshot? Okay, perfect. Damn, what a move. By the way, yeah, future trading. How was your day? Did you trade something? How was your funded account? How was it doing? All right, let me try to switch my mindset here. Sorry for being negative and all of that, but this is, of course, I knew at one point it's gonna happen that my internet crashes right on the open, but this is the most important time of the day. And then of course we get the perfect clean move. We would have made like 750 on both of these accounts. Instead of making 750, we up like $100. And we can't even request money on this. We're gonna get denied here because we were down like 1,500 because I couldn't even see the trade. So pretty annoying. Yeah, send me the screenshot. You can post it in the Discord. It's usually a bit easier. Yeah, what a clean move here. Jesus Christ. All right, let me know when you send it. I'm just gonna check on my girlfriend real quick. Just give me 1 sec. We'll be right back. All right, let me see. But when did you do that? Like, I mean, it looks like you did it right now, or like I can't really see it, Juno. Do you remember the time where you did it? Oh, you did it right on the open. Oh, yeah, you did it right on the open. And you got filled here with both accounts. Yeah, I did it pre-market. Pre-market, the market moves a bit slower. But I still don't get it, because if you were long, like at least the account that was long should have been passed, you know? And this was like your exact entry. Oh, at 417. Okay, this is like 317 my time, I guess. This one here? Oh, at 315. Okay. Like 315 Central European time, right? So it has to be this candle. No, this one here. Is it this one where you entered? The big candle, this one? I mean, here you should have been passed with the account that was short. I mean, depends on where was your entry. And are you sure both were blown and you went this one? Okay, and what was it? I mean, okay, you still had 86 ticks as your target. I mean, you already had, what was it, 750 in the account, so you needed to lower your target a little bit, you know? Because now you were looking for too much, and I think this might have fucked you over there with your drawdown and everything. Because the way I did it, the 86 ticks, is just if you start completely from zero. But if you already have money in the account, it would be a little bit different. And then, did it hit your target? Like, did this candle get ever close to your target, or? Oh, it just missed. Oh, okay. Look, the thing is, technically you passed already. The account was passed because you were definitely above 3,000 in profit. But because your target was still 86 ticks, it just didn't hit it, you know? And then the trailing drawdown just probably fucked you over again. And then you probably got stopped out here, right? Somewhere here. I just don't know how did the market react. Like we went straight down and then we bounce higher, or did we flush lower first? Yeah, the next time you do it, I mean, I always again. Yeah, see, you were already past. You were already past. You only need 3,000 profit. The next time you try it, either recalculate. Yo, what the fuck? Freaking Zeri or whatever. Alexa's talking. Jesus Christ. All right, so the next time you do it, either just do it on a clean account, like put your target 86 ticks, or if you already made some profit, you have to think about it, you have to recalculate the ticks that you need in profit. That was the issue here, because your account was passed at this point, but you still have to close the trade. You know, you have to end the day in profit with your 3,000. But yeah, don't break your headphones and stuff like that. I mean, it's not worth it. Trust me. I mean, it's super annoying. I get it, but not worth it. Not worth it. Yeah, it didn't fill you. I'm sorry, buddy. I mean, it sounds hard, but you're gonna learn from it. That's the important part. What a clean move here. But to be honest, you should never try it. You should always try to pass the account like on the normal way, you know? Just try to trade it. I mean, you have 30 days to trade it, so don't try to do it the way I did it. Or next time, if you want to do it and I'm on Discord, just send me a message. I'm gonna go on a call with you or something.
Okay, I'm being.
Yo, what? Why is Alexa talking with Siri?
Entschuldigung.
Apple,
Okay,
I'll shut it. Super weird. Like they have an Alexa or whatever it is here. Never used that before. All right. I mean, like I said, pretty annoying that this happened right on the open that my internet crashed, but hey, at least we're up on all the accounts. This is important. But yeah, not gonna trade these two accounts, and then like I said, my Volanox account is also up. I'm probably gonna switch over now. I'm gonna try to trade some evals with Phidias. Let me put this on screen as well. All right, this is the other account on Volanox. So, I mean, we're green on all funded accounts, which is important, but yeah. Could have been way better. All right, let me shut NinjaTrader and I'm gonna switch over to Quantower and trade my other accounts there. Just 1 second, I'm gonna open that for you as well. Oh, Jesus. Let me just try to set that up for you so you can see it better. I'll just pushing higher here. I mean, the next time if you want to do it, feel free to just reach out to me. I mean, I still have 2 more Bollnox accounts that I still have to pass as well. I might do it on maybe tomorrow or something. But next time, let me know so I can have a look as well. I want to make sure you get your accounts. What is this gap here? How do I fix that? All right, let me see if... Okay, perfect. It's gonna copy over. Just give me a sec. I will make sure that you can see everything. It's not gonna be pretty, but it's gonna work. Okay, now you can see it. Yeah. Okay. Now I just gotta figure out how I get rid of this gap here on the chart. How is it on stream? How does it look? Is it good or should I fix something else? Could move this. Hmm. Oh no, where does it go? Okay. There's gap. Yeah. You mean the gap on the chart or like with the camera? just don't know how I get rid of this. Wait, let me try to disconnect and reconnect. Sorry guys, today is a bit hectic and stressful. But yeah, Juno, next time you try it, just let me know. There's still a gap. Juno, do you have the gap as well, or is it just for me? What's that? Yeah, it should be this. It's a big candle. Okay. Maybe just made it funky on my screen. I don't know. All right. So I have 5 evals here on fit. Yeah. We're gonna trade evals now. I mean, you saw how it went today. I'm just super annoyed that I had my issues with the connection. So I'm pretty much done with trading the funded accounts. I mean, I traded 8 of the 10 funded accounts, and they're all in profit. So, I mean, at least it's a green day, but could have been way better. But oh, you also have the gap. Okay. Yeah. Again, sorry guys, it's just super hectic today. Just trying to set up everything. But I'm gonna trade evals now. I'm gonna try to trade them more aggressively. We're with Phidias here. So I have 25k static accounts. So if we have a win, my drawdown just gets higher. So I don't have any trailing drawdown and stuff like that, which is pretty nice. We're gonna trade them more aggressively because they're pretty cheap. I mean, it's $8.80. Target here is 1,500 in profit, and then we're on the funded account. And basically on the funded account, we get a payout from day one. So technically 2 days from eval to payout, which is pretty amazing. But yeah, all right. Let me try to see if everything's set up. Like I said, we're gonna be more aggressive. Just trying to make some profits here. Yeah, you can see here on your screen. This is the current balance. I tried it on Friday afternoon just to make sure everything works. So your drawdown is 500, like static drawdown, and because we had a $5 win, now our drawdown is 505. But it just makes it easier to hold trades. You don't have trailing and end of day and stuff like that. All right, it's just a bit annoying to see now with this gap. Also, it's been a time since I used Quant Tower, so it works out pretty decent most of the times. But yeah, we're gonna be more aggressive. I'm gonna look for smaller targets. Again, it's just an eval, so probably gonna have a wide stop and just smaller targets. I'm just gonna wait for close here. I still wanna buy it. All right. Okay. Okay. All right, this was, what was it, 40? Okay. Let me try to zoom in more for you. Hope that it's better. Okay. But yeah, again, I mean, we started with 500 drawdown. Now our drawdown is 545. It's always increasing. Still going high. Did we have any type of news coming out, or like what's going on today? Does anyone know? I didn't see anything. Maybe some tariff news coming out. Okay, let me just write an email real quick. I have some work to do. All right. Now I can focus up. I mean, of course, I just missed the whole move now. It's gonna make it more difficult, but we're gonna get there. Such a clean move today. Yeah, we'll look into getting a pullback first and then maybe another move higher. I mean, we're just so far into the move. I don't want to get long at the top here. Hey Tristan, how's it going? How are you? Did everything work out with the Amazon card? But yeah, we had a lot of stress today. I mean, my internet was cutting out right on the open, so made it really difficult. Missed out on a clean trade and then just a lot of stress today. But overall, we're green on all accounts. That's the most important part. And now we're just trading some evals with videos. Everything went smoothly. Okay, perfect. Yeah, I still don't know. I think it was something with your country because, like I said, I sent on PayPal to someone else, but it was like a German number that took the German country code, and then it worked. But I don't know, with your number or your email, it just didn't let me. Maybe there's some restrictions. But as long as you get your price, that's the most important part. Do you trade prop firms yourself or are you using your own money? What are you doing? Right now we're pulling back. You do prop firms? Okay. What's your favorite one, or which ones are you using right now? Just reversing right away. Yeah, I would like to see a pullback more into this level here. My funding pips. Oh, okay. It's not futures, right? It's like Forex, Forex prop firms. Forex, okay. I mean, I traded Forex myself, but just for, I don't even remember, maybe like 2 or 3 weeks. And then I just went back to futures. Okay, let's see if we can get another move higher here. Like I said, right now we're just on eval, so we're gonna be more aggressive. And more like scalping. See if we can get our target here. I'll join tomorrow. Yeah, I think you're pretty far delayed because I talked to you like a while ago. But yeah, probably tomorrow or on Wednesday, I want to try to pass them. Hey, what's up, Lawrence? Good to see you again. How was the weekend? How was it going? Got close to our target there, but doesn't want to go. But yeah, with 500 drawdown, it's definitely harder to build it up, but you definitely need the first trades to be green. Good you. To be honest, we had a really stressful day. Like right on the open, my internet crashed, and then it was horrible. Then I got filled like twice the contract size. Like I almost blew up my Apex accounts because I was in a trade. I didn't even see it on the screen. I had to reload. There was no stop loss, no TP set, nothing. But overall, I traded 8 funded accounts. They're all green. But it was definitely a lot of stress today. That's why now I switched over to evals. I'm not feeling the other 2 accounts, so just gonna try to pass the evals now. Okay, that was a loss. Okay, now we have 400 drawdown left. So That's chaotic. It was super chaotic. And then of course, if I just took the trade with my normal contract size, if the internet would have worked, it was a super clean trade. But of course, and then I panicked because I'm in double my contract size. I just put it into profit to get out, but I got super lucky, almost blew the account. It was down like 1,500 at one point. So yeah, not in the best mindset today. That's what I said. It was straight funded account. With Tradeify, they're straight to funded. It's the 25Ks. But this is on Phidias. Here, this is an eval. That's a little bit different. But it's 1 day to pass. The target is 1,500. It's 1,500 static drawdown, so no trailing and stuff like that. And basically, you can also get to a payout on the first account, on the funded account, and the first day on the funded account. So that's what I'm trying to do, just trying to push them a little bit harder. All right, now we're pulling back. Still going lower here. How much was the straight to funded? It was with like a 40% sale or 35% sale. So I pay like 220 per account and I got the 5 of them. But yeah, first I bought the one, and the one I bought first got me a payout, and then basically I just reinvested the money that I took from the payout and bought 4 other accounts. But yeah, because I was down 1,500 on my Apex accounts, even if I request a payout now, I'm gonna get denied because I broke the 30% rule there, unfortunately. Planning on getting one. Oh, make sure that you can trade them in Nigeria. Make sure your country is not on the list of banned countries. But yeah, I mean, this is the plan. Buy one account, get a payout, and just reinvest, right? Okay, nice. Spike higher here. Definitely takes some time to get used to Quant Tower again if I just trade Ninja Tower all the time, a Ninja Trader. But yeah, I got 5 Phidias accounts, 525K. So if we get like 2 funded, this would be okay for me. They're super cheap, $8.80. So okay, we're holding here. And maybe we just let it run, to be honest. What if we just DCA into it? But yeah, if you just joined, again, it's just evals right now. We're done with the funded accounts for today. So just trying to make some progress here. Yeah, Lawrence, did you trade something today or you just waited for a setup? I mean, market was pretty clean. Looks like we want to go lower first. Nothing today yet? Oh. How does this look on screen? Is it too much going on or with all the numbers and stuff, or is it okay to understand? Because it doesn't look that clean like a Ninja Trader, so just let me know. Be nice to get at least the one contract off here. All right. Now we have 3 left, and then take off 1 here and let the other 2 run. Screen brightness. Oh, it's too dark. Ooh, I don't even know how I changed that. Oh, jeez. No, this is... We can make it gray. I think that's a bit too much. What about this? This is a little bit better. I mean, this is almost brownish, right? And this is too white. Okay, let me try this. Is that better or worse? I think it's just worse. How do I get back to default? I mean, they have like templates. I just don't know where to find them. The last one was okay. Jeez, I don't remember which one it was now. Was it this one? I mean, it's like brown. Doesn't look that nice in the background. Come on. Okay. All right, we have 2 left. Let's see if we can run into the highs again. I just put a break even now. And then target back here. Okay, what about this? A little bit darker. Is that fine? I just have to change the colors now in the background, like the chart colors, the candlesticks. Is that okay? Wait, what happened now? Okay. It's the worst, yeah. Right. I can't even get it back to default now. Now it's messed up. And this is just too dark. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, today's... How do I get it back to default? I mean... Overlay. No. Alright, let me try to fix that again, but no idea. I have no idea how do I reset it? Does someone know? How do I reset that? Okay, I'm gonna trail that at least. Alright, I'm gonna look it up. Yeah, but where is it? There's no reset button. Where is it supposed to be? Alright, we got filled there. Okay. I mean, this is just I can't go back, you know? Man, today it's so chaotic. Okay, I'm onto something here. Wait. Uh-huh. Wait, okay. Um Aha. Okay, there we go. What about this? Let's go over together. So this is the default one. What do you think about that? And then we have the next one. I don't know if I'm a fan of that. Then we have it's called the Dark Forest. Oh, that looks like some spaceship alien stuff. Then we have Dark Gold. I don't know. We have a grayscale. Yep, it's not grayscale. Then we have a light forest. Horrible. We have light gold. Okay, and light water. Yeah, they're all horrible. Let's go with this one. What do we think? It's a little bit lighter, but still not too bright. And then we're gonna switch. Like, I'm onto something here. Give me a chance to do it. Okay. You can use a black and white chart. I don't think I want that. All right, and then we're gonna make the colors a little bit more vibrant. Like, come on, that's better. Right? Is that okay? I think that looks fine. Should be easier now to see the candles, at least in the background. Good, okay, perfect. But yeah, all right, we got stopped out here. I mean, I was trailing my leftover contract, and we're $9 in profit now. So we got some drawdown back, which is important. Again, it's static drawdown, so it's the auras that were hard to see. Okay, then let's give it a try. I mean, just for scientific purpose. How does it look? Can we see the orders or? It's also, okay, weird. It looks really different for you on screen than I can see it on my monitor. So, but yeah, this should be fine. All going higher here. Oh, wait. I just noticed that should be a bit different for you. Okay. See you later. Yeah, have a good one, buddy. I mean, probably I'm just gonna go offline as well soon. I mean, I feel like a mess today. The open just really got me. It was super annoying that my Wi-Fi cut out, and then I just missed the most important time of the day. So yeah, guys, I think I'm just gonna call it here, to be honest. I mean, just have to mentally reset. I mean, at least all funded accounts are green. The ones that we traded 8 funded accounts, they're all green on today. So this is important. Just not my day. This really got me. So yeah, I'm just gonna cut it here. Tomorrow I will be back. Normal energy, 9:15 a.m. Eastern time, and we're just gonna hope that my connection holds and we don't have any issues. Anyways, guys, I appreciate you all, even if you watch me when it's not going well. So I hope you all are green on the day, and I will catch you tomorrow again. Enjoy some time outside, some time with your family. That's always important. All right, guys, see you later. See you tomorrow again.